good thing it's only like -4 out here. Wouldn't want to start doing this when it's -30. Bunch of clips. Well, I heard one snap off there. See it right there. There. So anyway, that's what has to be done to all of them. The first one's ground. Just push it in there. And the second and third one are hot. So I'll go for the third one. I'm gonna go for the third one. We'll switch on the wiper switch on the dash. You see how the light came on? Now if you're not getting power here, I would check your switch or your fuse under your dash. Okay, I'm going to go to the second power. Now the second power, which is white, it's constantly on. Because right now I have the switch off. And the third one, which is red, will only activate when the switch is pushed in. Okay, so that works. And I went to the auto wrecker because I know it was my wiper motor, so I got myself another wiper motor with the brackets and everything. So I'm gonna mount that. And I did check at the auto wrecker. I plugged it in to make sure it worked. These yellow grommets, I'm going to have to warm up the van and pull them off because I'm destroying them in the cold if you pull them off. So they have to be warm. First thing you do is lift this up. See, this one's cracked. It should look like this. You just lift it up like that. It's cracked off, and there's a nut in behind. Undo the nut a little bit. The one at the auto wrecker wasn't this hard to get off. There it comes. There, it's off. 8mm socket. There's the old motor. Make sure you got the sleeve on there. The sleeve on the other one. This one's got the sleeve on it. And these threads look really good on this one. And you can just position it in. And I'm keeping the same rubber boot. The rubber boot that's up there, I'm just keeping the same one. But I have an extra one, but that one's good. And it's got little keepers there. Okay, we'll see how it works now. Back up a bit here. I don't think the wiper's much good though. Okay, I think I'll leave it there because it's about equal on each side where it comes. Keeps going up. Well, I got one locked in, two. Okay, if I hold it, I should be able to snap it in. I just don't have this one properly, but get this one in. Hold it so it doesn't. There. God help. Okay, I'll bring the camera around. Now I can line them up. Since I got one held. So you can look in there and you can see it's going to line up.